everyone, it's Billy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Billy, and yes, today's video is going to be vegan food for 24 hours. And of course, for now it's nearly 2 o'clock in the afternoon time. So if you are new, I follow intermittent fasting step to lose weight, and I'm still doing it. For now I am on a stage 19/5, which is 19-hour fasting and then 5 hours for breaking fasting. So yes, let's get started. So for my first meal is going to be easy and simple one. So I'm going to do a boiled chickpea sweet potato from this application called 56 Health. Well, actually this one is from Alexandra. I follow her for a while and she's a vegan. I am not vegan, but today I think I'm going to challenge myself a little bit to eat vegan for 24 hours. And yes, of course, I use her application for 2 years, and it is amazing. It's not expensive at all, and like I said, I'm not vegan. Sometimes I put some chicken or prawn or salmon on it, or sometimes like this I just get bored of beef, and then I just follow the ingredient or recipe. So this meal is just have a basic thing. So first of all, of course, you need a sweet potato. I'm going to put this one in the oven, and then you need a chickpea, and then of course avocado and some seasoning part. Is anything that you love, some herb, anything that you want. And yes, I will show you step by step.
I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you, to make you just have a clue all the shit you put me through. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you, to make you just have a clue all the shit you put me through. Tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Tired of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. So tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Tired of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you, to make you just have a clue all the shit you put me through. Call you a penny, call you a penny.
So for lunch, I would like to get something or make something really easy, simple and quick, and of course healthy as well. So I'm going to make a small lunch before I go out, and that is going to be rice cake with avocado. So all you need is just dry cakes, and this one is vegan friendly. Half of avocado, tomato, and a little bit of salt and pepper or any seasoning of your choice. So this one is going to be quick and easy, or you can make it as a snack. But for me, like I said, I still feel full from breakfast, so that is going to be a quick lunch for me. Going out, coming back, take a shower, get changed, and I put a little bit of makeup on just because I don't want to scare you. And now it's time for dinner, and today I fancy some pasta cream sauce, which means I'm going to make pasta for dinner, and of course it's really healthy and for vegan because I am still in a vegan challenge. So let's go. For a healthy sauce, of course you just need some ingredients. The first one is going to be cashew nuts, some almond milk, nutrition yeast, pink salt, black pepper, and of course okra seasoning. And you can have it with any vegetable of your choice. Today I'm going to add a little bit of cherry tomato and a little bit of spinach, and I'm going to have it with this one because it said vegan friendly and I got it from Tesco and it looked really nice. I'm going to put this one in the oven. And if you want to make it more healthy, you could have it with whole wheat pasta, but I don't have it at the moment. I just have this bad boy and I can't be bothered to go to the shop, so I guess I'm going to have this one. However, it's the time to roll. You have to try. If you're not vegan, you just add some chicken or some beef, but this sauce tastes so good. You have to try it. So that is so delicious, guys, and if you make it this far, thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed this challenge so much, and yes, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. That will support my channel a lot and I appreciate that a lot. So see you guys next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Fake friends, I don't have time to pretend that you care about me when you don't. You treat